It's really
9,000 meters.
like 5 kilometers high, you know. Yeah, so sometimes try to have the Kilimanjaro beer, you know. If you don't climb it, you drink it. The second thing will be the migration, the wild abyss migration. And I'm so glad you guys will do the Serengeti as well, you know. So migration is actually happens in Tanzania, a month or two in Kenya. That they cross there a little bit for food and they come back here. Migration is all year round, but depending on how do you like to see the migration. Like January, February, March, southern part of Serengeti, very big, vast plain area where they're dropping their babies, and actually. The predators like hyena, for instance, getting easy food. Hyenas don't need to go for the newborn, you know, because they have a lot of placenta, so they eat. So it helps to you know to clear the environment, to make the environment very healthy, you know. The baby are born within 2 minutes, can walk, you know. 5 minutes, yeah, 5 minutes can, you know, trot, and 11 minutes very high speed, you're not gonna catch them. But this time, like July, August, September, they are northern part of Serengeti, and there is where they go crossing the Mara River, you know. And sometimes it's crazy how they congregate together and decide to go down and to start to cross, you know. And crocodiles sometimes catching them. Sometimes crocodile doesn't even need to hunt them, because sometimes the place is too steep. So they jump over one another, killing each other, and the crocodile getting free food, you know. So migration is any time of the year, but depending on how do you like to see them. May, June, sometimes they go mating, you know. Yeah. So migration, number two. The third thing, maybe you have heard about it, very famous in Arusha as well, the gemstone called Tanzanite. Really unique because it's newly invented stone, and maybe in 11 years to come, no more mining, you know. So the people that having the stone are the ones that are going to have them, you know, because the price keep goes up like every day. It's 1,000 rarer than the diamond, but when you try to Google the price in international market, still the diamond is very expensive in comparison to Tanzanite. And you can have Tanzanite anywhere in the world now. South Africa, Dubai, Tiffany. Did you know that the Tiffany named the name Tanzanite?
Really?
Yeah, because when we discovered the stone, we had no idea about what that stone was, you know. And we took the stone to Dodoma, that is our capital city. You know, so capital city is not Dar es Salaam, like many people think about it. So where the parliament is in Dodoma. So the government did the research, no clue. Then they sent it to Tiffany. Tiffany had a big scientific research about the stone, and they came to realize that stone found nowhere else in the world apart from Tanzania. So that time was called Ziosite, and to honor the nation, they call it Tanzanite. You know?
Oh, he's getting close.
Mama's back, like driving a horse this side of the road. Try to get back. And you see the tail of the mama supporting the baby.
another one.
Yeah,
They're riding on the water.
yeah.
And the baby, is he rolling in it? Is he trying to get up? He's just like wallowing in it.
Oh, the baby. Yeah, look at that. I didn't even see the fourth one back there.
Cookie.
Yes, actually.
Just these little wet mud up there.
So this is how they pull themselves down. Of whitish thing
Yeah, what is that?
looks like the tusks or something, or teeth or something. We let them go. You can hear all the frogs.